Carolis, can you save all of the clips? I do that. Can we do a 14 compilation on the addicted, bro? Do you think so, buddy? Hold on. Can I win this? I have the most percent. I accidentally did crazy jackpot. I don't know, it wasn't even on fucking purpose. Thank you. I'll take it. Thank you. It's turned into vapes. Nice start. Nice start. Addicted case. Best case on the planet, boys. You should open it because it's the best case. Look at that, bro. It's the best case. It's literally the best case, bro. I'm telling you, it's the best case. Bro, it's literally the best case. Not a single miss on the addicted case, bro. I'm telling you, it's the best case. Yes! Can I please have Caramel Emerald or the good gloves, please? I get the shittiest item, bro. I cause unbuck in the pussy. Cause unbuck in the pussy, bro. It cause unbuck in the pussy. This is paying kinda good though. It's paying really good though. Oh! Is that okay, one. Please, can I have a good one, please, bro? Yes! Caramel Emerald, let's go! Let's go! 12 racks, bro. Let's go, bro. Come on, we're fucking back. Bro, we're so back. We're so back. Come on. And it's in crypto coins as well. Let's fucking go, boys. That was 6K, bro. We're so back. Not really paying. As long as I can win on the last case, I'm happy. That roll would have been perfect. That roll would have been literally perfect. Come on, then addicted case! Perfect! Perfect roll! Perfect roll, baby! Perfect roll! Woo! Perfect roll, baby! Come on! Okay, boys. I ate chicken curry today. My stomach is not doing very profit. Oh, fuck! Oh, don't do that, boys. Oh, fuck, don't do that. Oh, fuck. I don't snooze though. Fuck that shit. I fucking hate snooze. It tastes like ass cheeks. Stop paying. Oh fuck, double nuke. Double nuke, duke. Period, blood. Listen to your cock. Listen to your cock. Karambit. Listen to your cock. Listen to your cock. W addicted. W addicted. 3.4, we take. I'll think that's enough. I think that's enough. No! Glock, no! Yeah, I'm gonna get the fucking signal, man, I guess. Fuck!
Later.
Okay. Pants. Oh no, my share, my pants. My bad. I take credit Ramadan for you, please. Let me backflip on that dick. Damn. Wait, plank! Come on, baby. Something good, something good, something good. Come on. One sticker, one sticker. One stick! Stop on that one! Aww. That'll be 12. But still take 5.8 though, that's nice. He gets a tiger dude though, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's no problem. How's the ear? It still hurts. By the way, if you guys want to check out CSGOROLL, you only know what to do though. But like, click on the green plus on the corner, use promo code addicted, click apply, you get a 5% deposit boost. What? I just ate breakfast. Fucking. Fuck! Ah! Yes! Bulb! 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 Bulb, you sexy boy! Alright, now I need to help out. Bulb! You were. Oh! Checkmate! Cookmate! Please! The fucking capsule! Imagine a capsule right now! I'll take that, that's good. I reset. 4.5. Which one would have been better? Oh yeah, they're the same, bro. Oh my god, bro! Triple roll spin! Wow! Bro, let's fucking go! Fuck yeah, baby! Fuck yeah, boys! Come on! Bro, what a comeback! 5K there, bro. Bing, bing, boom! Was this trust the process, bro. Trust the process. Oh, that would have been a high ticket. We have saved ourselves. We got saved. ASIK saved us. Look at that. ASIK saving us right now, bro. Ah! Here we go, Mirai. Here we go. Damn. Okay. God damn. On the coins though, profit. Ah! My bad. Okay, not bad, baby. Oh, nice. Let's go. Come on. Sue it. Take it. Sue it. How much is that? 3.4. Come on, baby.